This is Paper Airplane. This piece is based on 5-finger scale. And normally we start here in this middle C. So now we play on this treble clef C. So just find one octave higher. This is the C we start from. And look, we have just 5 notes up and 5 fingers will be used for this. So the notes are following: C, D, E, F, G, and backwards F, E, D, C. And this motion in first 2 measures is stepwise motion, so each step will be used. Then check the 3rd and 4th measure. Here we have skips. So we skip 1 note, we skip 1 note here, and so we use just 3 notes like this, skipping each step in between. And then look at the second line. Again, stepwise motion, but we play now down and up. And then again skips. So let's double check. First line. So we play 5-finger scale up, 5-finger scale down, and then skips. Second line, we play 5-finger scale down, then up, and skips are down. Let's check the last line. In the last line, both hands will be playing together in unison. Unison is when we play same notes. It could be here or even different octave. So here we have 1 octave apart. And we will be using skips here. So find 3 notes. C, E, G here and C, E, G here. And remember, they will be playing in unison. So it is C, G, E, G, and then G, E, G, E, G, E, C. Now let's check the rhythm. We have 4 quarter notes and we count each quarter note. So we don't need subdivisions like 1 and 2 and because we don't have 8 notes. So we count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We had quarter notes for 2 measures, then half notes. Make sure to count quarter notes while holding halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now second line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And third line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. The last line has whole notes. Make sure to hold them 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, measure 10. And then last measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. When you're playing this piece, please make sure that first finger is placed on the fingertip and not on the joint like this. So it sits well, holding the whole position. Also make sure to place it in the middle of the key. Then check the 5th finger, make sure it doesn't lay like this and it sits again in the middle, in the center, and make sure it is round. So look, 5th finger, 1st finger. Before starting practicing, please make sure to practice landing on the 1st finger and then on the 5th finger, so you would notice good hand position. And then when you're playing, make sure that it is not on the side, but in the middle of the keys. So pay attention to fingers position. Look, round, round, and then this on fingertip. Then when they play together, make sure left hand does the same. 1st finger is good position, and 5th finger as well. And also check dynamics. We start in mezzo forte, what is medium loud. Then last line has contrasting dynamics. Last line has forte for 2 measures and piano, as well as pedal. So press the pedal down in measure 9 and lift it up after you finish the piece. So hold it down all the way. And now look, this is forte at first in measure 9. And now in measure 11, piano. And then lift hands and pedal together. Thank you, and try to play Teacher Duet, please.